How to check if my RAM is DDR4 or DDR5 on Windows 11 laptop and PC. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So all you need to do is go to Google and type in Speccy, S-P-E-C-C-Y. Then click on the ccleaner.com top link. So from this website, click download free version of Speccy. It's just a very simple app, don't worry about it. Free download. And of course, free download again. So once it's downloaded, click open file and install. Bang. It's now installed. Just click on run Speccy. It will open up and it's going to analyze your operating system, your CPU, your RAM, and all that stuff. So none of this is relevant other than RAM. And it says I have 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. So that's all you have to do to find out whether your RAM is DDR4 or DDR5 on laptop and PC, Windows 11.